Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important theory question that you need to study under the subject direct tax for the examination semester 5. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V students. So in this video, we are going to, remember in direct taxation, question number 5 is all theoretical part. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is objectives and practical, and last question number 5 will be theoretical part. So in that theory, what are the questions that you need to study? Okay, now the list of questions which I am going to give will be a composite question bank. It can come under long answer also, or it can come in the short notes also. So you need to just thoroughly learn these answers and you can attempt anything in the question paper whichever suits you. Okay, so chalo, let us see chapter wise what are the most important theory questions that you need to cover up. So we'll start with the first chapter. Okay, so important theory questions under introduction and residential status. Okay, these are the 4 important topics that you need to cover up. Number 1, assessment year and previous year. Second, income under section 2 subsection 24. Next is basic condition for individuals to become a resident, and what are the various types of persons. So these are the 4 important topics that you need to cover up under introduction and residential status topics. So you all can go through it once and note it down. Okay, next, from income from salary, we have topics such as taxable perquisites, allowances. So they can be explain taxable perquisite, explain allowances or various types of allowances, taxability of pension, so pension ka whatever rules are available, provident fund, entertainment allowance and professional tax, and retirement benefits related questions can come. That can be write a note on gratuity, leave encashment. Okay, so anything under retirement benefit, all those answers can come. Pension, okay, pension funds, all those can come under that. So these are important topic from income from salary topic. You can go through it once. Okay, next, long-term capital gain. So under that, the questions are list of assets which are capital assets. So they can ask you based on the list. Second is transfer expenses of capital assets, and exemption section 54 and 54 EC. Very important from the exam point of view. Okay, along with it, they can even ask you explain what is long-term capital gain. So in that, you can just give a small meaning and then you can draw the entire format of long-term capital gain. Okay, you all can go through it once. Next, business and profession में you have 2 important topics. One is allowable business expenses. So whenever they ask you allowable business, they can even ask you what are the disallowable business expenses and allowable depreciation. These are 2 important topics under business and profession. Next is income from house property. Under that we have first deduction under income from house property. So there are two major deduction. One is the standard deduction and the second one is interest on loan. So those based on that answer can appear. Next is self-occupied property, SOP. They can ask you a note on that. Next is gross annual value, GAV. Deemed to be let out property and let out property. So any note can be asked, or short note or long answer can come based on income from house property based on these topics. Okay, chalo, you can go through it once. Next, income from other sources, where we have income. They can ask you any income from other source ke related topic, that can be, or list of income from other sources in which you can include your winning from lottery, interest, dividend, family pension, gifts, etc. Okay, you can note it on. Okay, and lastly, deduction under chapter 6A. They can give you question based on deduction under section 80DD, deduction under section 80C, and deduction under section 80D. These are the three most important deduction. After that, you can even have TTA, okay, which you all need to go through various. So these deductions you all have to learn only either way, because in order to do the computation sum, you need to be aware of all the deduction. But these are three most important deduction that you need to cover up. So you can go through it once. Okay, so chalo, these are all the important theory questions that you need to cover up under direct taxation paper. I hope everyone have noted it down. Chalo, with that we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.